Welcome back to Cost of Living, travelers. Are you tired of worrying about your bank balance every time you want to explore a new place? Imagine a life where you can travel the world and still make money. Today, we're diving deep into the art of earning while traveling. This video will walk you through several ways to keep your wallet happy as you explore the globe. From traditional jobs to modern opportunities, freelancing, passive income, and even teaching English abroad, we've got it all covered. Are you ready to turn your travel dreams into reality? Let's get started. Now, let's talk about jobs. Traditional jobs like office roles or retail positions are often location-based. Imagine being locked in one place, unable to travel because your job requires your physical presence. Tough, right? That's where modern job opportunities come into play. With advancements in technology, there are now countless ways to work remotely or freelance, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. We'll explore these exciting opportunities next. Freelancing is a fantastic way to earn while traveling. Jobs like writing, graphic design, and programming are just a few examples. But how do you find clients? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are a great start. Imagine crafting your unique profile, showcasing your skills, and landing clients from all over the world. Building a freelance career can take time, but with perseverance and quality work, you'll find yourself living the dream of working while traveling. Remote work is another excellent option. Companies around the globe are now hiring remote workers across various fields. Benefits include flexible working hours, no commute, and the ability to work from exotic locations. Companies like Buffer, Zapier, and TopTool are known for their remote work policies. Landing a remote job often involves showcasing your ability to work independently and having a robust portfolio or resume. Stay tuned as we give you tips on landing these coveted roles. Passive income. The holy grail of earning while you sleep. Blogging, affiliate marketing, and creating online courses are popular strategies. Picture this: setting up a blog that generates income through ads and affiliate links, or creating an online course that sells while you sip coconut water on a beach. Sounds exciting, right? Successful travelers like Nomadic Matt and Pat Flynn have mastered this art. They started from scratch and built passive income streams that now fund their adventures. For those who prefer hands-on work, seasonal and temporary jobs can be a savior. Think working at ski resorts during winter or summer camps during the warmer months. Short-term gigs and volunteering opportunities can also provide free accommodation and meals, saving you money while you travel. Websites like Workaway and WWB Roof are gold mines for finding such opportunities. This way, you can fund your travels without a long-term commitment. Another viable option is teaching English abroad. Many countries are eager to hire English teachers, offering competitive salaries and benefits. You'll need certification like TEFL or TESOL, but the effort is worth it. This lifestyle allows you to immerse yourself in new cultures and make a significant impact. Countries like China, South Korea, and Thailand are always in need of English teachers. But this lifestyle does come with its challenges, such as adjusting to new teaching environments and handling homesickness. Let's get creative. Travel photography, YouTube, or social media influencing are unconventional yet effective methods to earn while traveling. Have you ever dreamt of turning your travel experiences into stunning photographs or engaging vlogs? Platforms like Instagram and YouTube offer monetization options if you can build a substantial following. Travelers like the Bucket List family have turned their adventures into profitable businesses. Practical advice: start by sharing your journey, be consistent, and engage with your audience. Earning while traveling is thrilling, but requires balancing work and adventure. How do you manage? Time management is crucial. Plan your work hours and ensure you allocate time to explore. Maintain mental and physical health by staying active and connected with loved ones. Use tools like Trello or Asana to keep your tasks organized. Balancing both work and travel will ensure you enjoy the best of both worlds. To recap, we've discussed diverse ways to earn while traveling, from freelancing and remote work to passive income, seasonal jobs, teaching English, and creative ventures. The key is to find what aligns with your skills and passions. Don't let financial concerns hold you back from exploring the world. Start small, adapt, and grow. We encourage you to take the leap and begin your adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's build a community of savvy travelers who can fund their journeys and make the world their office. Safe travels, everyone.